Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussing about our 17th sensor, that is the ball sensor. Arduino ball sensor module closes the circuit when it is tilted to the side as long as it moved with enough force and degree of inclination to activate the ball switch inside. The sensor consists of 10k ohm resistor and a metallic ball switch with bidirectional conduction that will open and close the circuit depending on its tilting angle. It does not measure the tilt angle. Its operating voltage is 3.3 volt to 5 volt and output type is digital. Connect the module's power line, that is the middle one, and the ground to 5 volt and ground respectively. Connect signal pin to the pin number 2 on the Arduino.